shortlist Bhumihar families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled, then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I am here with another video on one of the best Bhumihar Marriage Bureau cum Bhumihar wedding planners in Bangalore, Karnataka. A wedding planner for Bhumihar elite and middle class families in Bangalore. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Bhumihar bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music band, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Bangalore, Karnataka. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Bangalore is the capital city of the southern Indian state of Karnataka. It is the 7th largest city in India. It is also known as the Garden City because of its many beautiful gardens and parks. The Nandi Hills in Bangalore is not to be missed by the pious. Though the origin of Bangalore is ancient, the present-day city was founded in the 16th century and has since continued to be an important administrative center. The Vidhan Soda or the State Secretariat, built in 1954, is the main attraction of the city. It is a marvel of modern architecture and is a fine amalgamation of traditional Dravidian and modern styles. Kabul Park, the 120-hectare park located near the Vidhan Soda, has a number of neoclassical style government buildings. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Bangalore, Karnataka, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Bangalore, Karnataka. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Bhumihar life partner in Bangalore, Karnataka has been taken up by Bhumihar Marriage Bureaus or Bhumihar Marriage Consultancy in Bangalore, Karnataka. Today I will introduce you a Bhumihar matrimonial service provider in Bangalore, Karnataka, which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Bhumihar families in Bangalore, Karnataka for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Bangalore, Karnataka, but the marriage bureau in Bangalore, Karnataka will change the concept of Bhumihar partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Bangalore, Karnataka. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Bhumihar family is looking for in their search for a bride groom in Bangalore, Karnataka. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Bhumihar matchmaking services in Bangalore, Karnataka, Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Bangalore, Karnataka to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connection between great people and great families in Bangalore, Karnataka. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Bangalore, Karnataka. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Bangalore, Karnataka. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1, we do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2, we have the large Bhumihar database of profiles in Bangalore, Karnataka, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Bangalore, Karnataka. Number 3, our Bhumihar matchmaking service in Bangalore, Karnataka fee ranges from 65,000 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharmavedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharmavedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Bangalore, Karnataka. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Bhumihar matchmaking process in Bangalore, Karnataka. You can also download Dharmavedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharmavedic is absolutely free of cost. Join or connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.